What's stupid? Mic doesn't want to work sometimes, you guys. Today in this video, we're gonna be getting some bitches at the bar, you guys. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah, she's doing her little nursing thing, so I'm gonna just leave her alone. But we're not gonna be doing that, you guys. Today, we're just gonna be, we're gonna be doing us and getting some big bitch. We're gonna play a little bit of Rocket League and let's see where the day takes us, you guys. All right, all jokes aside, you guys. See my face? I am in the military. I had to shave my face. I'm ETSing out of that shit, so amen to that, but I gotta serve my country now. I went to the gym. I hit some arms. It was an okay day. Had to come get the girl. You guys were asking what kind of camera I use, you guys. I'm using the iPhone 10 Pro Max Plus, you guys. So don't get discouraged and if you want to do a video, because it doesn't matter what you're really using, you guys. Just record it and upload, you guys. Trust me, you're gonna get there. And look, this is the tripod that I use to do my little skits and shit, how to cook videos, how to get big on these bitches. I use this one, 20 bucks on Amazon. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put a link in the description, you guys. But yeah, it doesn't take that much to start whatever you guys want to start, you guys. Just start posting, start uploading. I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour too as well. That's me and my platoon, my basic training platoon, my board, my motivation board. Let's see what the first thing that says. Let me see. Yep, that's crazy. That's my PC. I'm gonna give you guys the specs in a later video. See how the video does CPU, but I'm gonna tell you guys that in a little bit. I'm just kidding. It's a 4070. Don't know what kind of brand. I think it's an EVGA 4070. Or no, it's MSI. I'm not sure you guys can really see that MSI right there. So yeah, it's powering these two monitors. But I want to buy another GPU. I don't know which one. What do you guys recommend? And I have this microphone. I think the HyperX some bullshit. But yeah, this is the colorful one. Oh! God, they scored on us, bro. They scored on us. Okay then. Man, that's some bullshit, you guys. I lost those 2 games and then I won the one after. So I'm gonna give me my package like this and I paid 20 bucks for this stupid ass hat. What the fuck? How am I gonna get big on these bitches when I can't even cover the fucking